Introducing the Silhouette Cameo-3 desktop cutting system. The Cameo-3 is the ultimate DIY machine because of its unmatched versatility. Multitask with the convenient dual carriage. Cut over 100 materials including vinyl, cardstock, paper, and fabric. Let the Cameo's auto blade system adjust your blade depth for you. Cut materials up to 2 millimeters thick, like leather and craft foam, with the Silhouette Deep Cut blade. Cut straight from a vinyl roll without a mat to accommodate your biggest ideas. Cut any font on your computer. Perfectly cut any printed image. Sketch a design with pens or markers. Connect to Silhouette Pick Scan technology. Create wirelessly. You can even ink stipple to create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Your Silhouette unlocks your full creative potential with its ability to customize projects for home, school, and business. Create custom apparel. Personalize a party. Give your home decor a signature look. Build 3D projects. Cut fabric and save time doing it. Decorate with vinyl decals. And much, much more. With the Cameo, it's never been easier to create your DIY masterpiece. Choose from nearly 100,000 ready-made designs in our store. Or design something yourself with our free software. Resize and customize. Design where and when you want with the Silhouette Studio mobile app, and sync your designs across all your devices with the Silhouette Cloud. Then send your design wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or computer, and your Silhouette will do the rest. Do it yourself, do it your way with the Silhouette Cameo. Dream it up, cut it out.